Actually, nagulat rin ako nung nabasa ko yung yung statement or at least yung statement base sa interview yata ng spokesperson ng impeachment court. But nonetheless, I don't really want to read too much into it. I don't want to cast aspersions dito sa ating nangyari kahapon. Marami kasing pwedeng dahilan. Maari kasi na napag-aralan na nila yon, but kailangan lang magkaroon ng oral arguments to see if mapapabago natin yung magiging resolusyon. Maari rin na nung Wednesday, after nung initial oral arguments, ay meron ng naging pag-uusap. So, napakahirap kasi mag-speculate. Kaya I really don't want to cast any aspersions, lalo na baka sabihin porket hindi pabor sa atin, we're raising all these issues. So sa panig na lang ng defense, we'll just take the decision as it is. Of course, I wouldn't, I'd be lying if I will be saying na hindi ako nagulat na may ganun palang nangyari. But nonetheless, I don't think we should cast aspersions against the integrity of the court or anything like that. It is what it is. Yun yung naging resolution, yun yung naging ruling. At ngayon naman, sa amin naman, sinasabi ko naman parate, hindi naman kami takot sa dokumento. Kung lumabas man yung lahat ng yan, handa din naman kaming harapin bawat isa sa mga dokumento na yan. Kaya lang naman kami nag-oppose dahil we really firmly believe na itong subpoena ay overbroad at may mga batas na maapektuhan that are there not only meant to protect the Vice President or impeachable officers, but all of us. That's why we really just had to point that out in our oral arguments.
Attorney, pero para sa defense po, sa tingin ninyo, naging useless yung arguments kahapon? O sana nilabas na lang yung ruling?
Well, hindi naman. Sa totoo lang. Kasi ang sa akin naman, whatever happened prior, kung may ruling man o wala, I earnestly believe na yung mga senator judges natin nakinig naman. At pangalawa, ang isang importante rin, 'di ba, ang gusto natin parate transparency. So at least narinig din ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung points ng both sides, the prosecution and the defense. At at least napakita natin sa kanila kung ano rin yung mga naging basihan natin, bakit natin tinutulan itong mga request na to. So sa akin, hindi ko masasabing useless yung naging exercise kasi at least we were still able to ventilate through oral arguments the position of the defense and the basis on why we held on to that position.